What if I told you you can grow your YouTube channel quickly? I did it with just 30 shorts. My journey started with 0 subscribers, no audience, and no experience. Today, I'll share my exact steps with you. First, I chose a niche and stuck with it. No random videos, just focused content. The key? Strong hooks in the first 2 seconds. My first 5 shorts didn't perform well. I got views between 200 and 1.2k, but I noticed something interesting. Videos with strong starts retained viewers longer. So I changed my format. One short got 3k views, another hit 7k, and one soared to 15k. Gone were the boring intros. I began with a direct hook, and the results surprised me. I realized success wasn't just about content. It was about packaging. The strong hooks and fast pacing made a difference. Next, I created better versions of successful shorts. If one did well on YouTube growth mistakes, I followed up with another. I focused on similar topics and my views skyrocketed. I hit 20k, 35k, even 80k on some shorts. As my content improved, subscribers began flowing in. Where I once gained 2 to 3 subscribers a day, I saw numbers climb to 100 plus. This is when YouTube begins to notice you. In my final batch of shorts, I stopped experimenting. I repeated winning formats, refined my hooks, and sped up my editing. The last 10 shorts pushed my channel to new heights. I crossed 1,000 subscribers. Now let's talk monetization. Many ask, how did I monetize with just shorts? The answer is simple. I didn't focus on views alone. I used shorts to build an audience, attract subscribers, and create channel authority. I monitored my YouTube analytics closely. I tracked which hooks worked, what topics engaged viewers, and which videos converted subscribers. I doubled down on successful strategies. When I met YouTube's monetization criteria, I ensured my content was original and niche-focused. I applied for monetization, and soon after, I got the approval. Now it's your turn. Decide your niche and create engaging shorts. Monitor your analytics and adapt. With the right strategy, you too can monetize your channel. Start uploading now.